Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3. We will present the topic 5 about the narrative stylistic. Here are our members. The first one Aidin Ahsan, the second Febiana Sharani Ilyas, and the third one Sinta Ardila. Next. Okay. The first explanation will present by Febiana Sharoni.
Okay, thank you, Aidin. First, about narrative stylistic. The concept of narratology and narrative grammar. It involves the formal analysis of narrative text from a tradition which is similar to Europe's structural linguistics. Stylistic and narratology have been developing side by side in the investigation of narrative fiction. And the narrative fiction involves accounts of a sequence events told through step-by-step or scan-by-scan narration. And about narrative tenses are four tenses that we often use for talking about past events. And about narrative text is a kind of text to retell the story that past tense. And lines about difference and similarity, a general picture. The form and content are inseparable. Style is commonly seen as a choice from manner to express content matter. Then, similarly in narratology, discourse or history is regarded as the means manner used to present the story matter. That is to say, style and discourse appear to be interchangeable, each covering the level of retention in verbal narratives. Okay, next 18.
Okay, next is difference and complementary on narrative stylistic in three specific areas. The first is point of view or focalization. On this point, the few overlapping area of investigation between two disciplines are the point of view or the focalization. Second, characterization. Characterization used in depicting or presenting fictional characters. And the third one is tenses. Tenses in narrative stylistic have two different sense. First, grammatical sense, and the second is the sense shared by stylistic and narrativity. Next, a model of narrative structure. The first one is abstract storyline, the plot. The plot is generally understood to refer to the abstract storyline of a narrative that is to the sequence of elemental chronological order events which create the inner core of narrative. Representative storyline discourse. Narrative discourse is encompasses the manner of or means by which the plot is narrated that various stylistic elements which make up narrative discourse. Domain in storyline. In domain storyline, there is a textual medium. Textual medium refers simply to the physical channel of communication through which a story is narrated. Social linguistic code. Social linguistic codes expressed through the language that historical culture and linguistic setting which frame a narrative. It is located the narrative in time and place by drawing upon the form of language which reflect this social culture context. Characterization 1, action and event. Action and event describe how the development of character and intersect with the action and effect of a story. Characterization 2. Point of view. Point of view is explore the relationship between the mode of narration and a character of narrator point of view. Textual structure. Textual structure is the way individual narrative units are arranged and organized in a story. Intertextuality. Intertextuality is the sixth narrative component that reserves the technique of the illusion. Thank you. And next is Sinta Attila.
Thank you, Aidin. Developments in structural narratology. Narratology in literary theory, the study of narrative structure. Narratology looks at what narratives have in common and what makes one different from another. The foundation of narratology were laid in such books as Vladimir Propst's Morphologia sketch, which created a model for folk tales based on 7 pairs of action and 1 function of narrative. An important feature of the narrative scheme was its acknowledgement that narrative may be encoded in a variety of textual media which include but are not restrictive to film, cartoon, bold, comic strip, and prose fiction and oral vernacular. Next. Structuralist narratology illustrates how a story meaning develops from in its overall structure, the lines, rather than from its individual story isolated theme, the parallel. Section well devoted to the elements of which narratology is made up. These elements, narration, vocalization, narrative, situation, action, story, analysis, tellability, tense, time, and narrative modes. Next. Structuralist narratology illustrates how a story meaning develops from its overall structure, the length, rather than from its individual story isolated theme, the parallel.
Okay, that's all about our presentation about the topic narrative stylistic. Thank you for watching. And if there are any question, comment, or suggestion, feel free to post on e-learning. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.